Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My today video is about some useful tips and tricks regarding Outlook. These tips and tricks are very useful for every user who use email, who use Outlook, who use Outlook desktop apps, either Gmail, either Yahoo. The first interesting tip is we can insert a poll in our Outlook. This is the latest update announced by Microsoft in Outlook. Let me open Outlook and see the poll option. Let's go to new email where I want to create a poll. Once you go to new email, you can type here like I'm typing any email here at gmail.com. Okay, and I want to insert a okay. I want to insert a poll here. So let's go to insert. Then let's find out the poll option here. Yeah, let's select the poll. In the poll, I want to enter what is the best email provider. An option, let's select Microsoft, Google, and I can enable here Microsoft, Google. Option 3 will be Yahoo. Okay, I can enable multiple answer option here, so the user will be able to select more than one option here. So I don't want to select it right now. I want user to select only one option. Hit next. Okay, let's select. Let's vote. So I want to select Microsoft is the best email provider, and my email will be sent to response. So let's select add email. Okay. Okay. This is all about poll. We can insert a poll and we can send it to users to select any option. So let me discard this my email. Let's go to the next step. Okay. So the next step about Outlook is we can create a distribution group or a list if we want to send an email to more than one user at a time. This will save our time instead of typing all of the email. So let's go to new contact group. I can name the group. The name can be management group. I want to add all the management member here from Outlook contact, from address book, and I can either enter customized new email. So if you go to Outlook contact, contacts will appear here. Let's select all address list. I haven't added any contact here. That's why the contacts are not coming through my email. Yeah, fortunately I found a single contact here. Okay, and the next way is we can add members as from the address book. So like if I want to add few members here, I can select them and I can add them, right? Okay, so in this lecture, I will try to add my Gmail here. @gmail.com. Sorry, this was the name. This is the email, and here we have the name. and I will select add to contact and hit OK. OK, my this group is created here. So let's save and close. We will try to send an email to management group, and that email will go to all of the users which are in management group. See, the group comes up here. So if I select management group and if I type an email here, this will go to all of the users which are the member of management group. This will save our time to type individual email one by one. Okay, so my next step in Outlook is turning on a dark mode, which will keep our eyes calm and smooth. So we can change Outlook mode by going to File. Let me show you by going to File, and after by going to File, we can go to Office account and we can select here. Currently, it's set to Office theme, use system settings. So I can select here dark gray. I can even change it to black. I can change it to white. I can change it to colorful. And by changing, please note that we have also office backgrounds here. We can change anytime. Once you select any other mode, dark mode, and all of other application will also be converted to dark mode, like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and all those. Let's confirm. Yeah, my Excel also goes to dark mode. Let's confirm by going to new email. See, my new email is also now in dark mode. Okay. Okay, my next important tips is that we can add signatures to our emails. Like if we want to promote our company or if we want to promote someone else product, we can add signature to our every email. Or if our company has some specific signature, we can add those signature here. So let's see how we can add signature. Let's go to files. Let's go to options. Let's go to mail and now go to signatures. So my current signature is set to my this email. So if I want to add a new signature, let's type the name. I want to add signature to my Gmail. Okay, and I want to change my email here to Gmail. And let's type the name of signature for my Gmail. Promote IDEEPK. Like I want to promote my channel. Please subscribe and follow my channel. Regards, Zubair. Okay, let's hit OK. Again OK. So let's go to new email. Let's select from email Gmail here and see. Once I selected Gmail, the signature automatically comes under my email. If I send an email to anybody, the signature will be automatically under my email. You can add any of signature to your email. This was just an example that how we can add a signature. And if you want to add a manual signature, you can go to signatures and you can select the other signature, any signature added into your signatures list, and you can add to your email or you can add a new signature like this one.
Okay, the next step is about turning off the mail sound or turning off the mouse cursor changing. Sometimes we get an email and it plays a sound and it also changes our mouse cursor. So if we want to turn off those notification or a sound, we can turn that off by going to file, by going to options, and let's go to mail. After going to mail, you can see here on the message arrival, play a sound, briefly change the mouse cursor, show an envelope icon in the taskbar. Here in the taskbar, we see envelope icon. This is fine. I want to turn these on and I want to turn off the play a sound because I don't like email messages sound. Our next step is about My Day options in Outlook on web. Microsoft have announced a new option in Outlook on a web where we can see our My Day, what is our day today and what was the event schedule for our day today. See My Day. If I click on a My Day, I can see my events and meetings and also a to do here in to do tasks. Our next step is very important for everyone. Sometimes we were on leave and we have to respond users that we are not available and we are on leave and you can contact any alternative person. So let's see how we can add an automatic reply in our emails. Go to files, first go to file and then go to automatic replies. Let's click automatic reply, send automatic reply, and I want to type a new automatic reply. I will not be available till 10th of July. You can contact our management team at management at gmail.com. This is just for your understanding, and we can select the range for an automatic reply. Only send during this time range. Like I will not be available from Thursday 6 till 10th. So I can select here 10. So end time will be 10, not 8 p.m. I wanna select here 4 p.m. After that I will be available. So I can select to send it inside my organization or I can turn on for an outside of organization. This is very helpful when you are on vacations. Okay. The next most interesting tip is that in our Outlook we can add Gmail account, Yahoo account, not only a Microsoft account. So let's try to add a Gmail account here. Like let me type my Gmail, just click connect. It's adding my Gmail here. Hit next. Let me enter the password. It's asking me to respond on my phone as I have turned off the authentication methods. So let me allow it from my phone. So I will be able to add Gmail here. Now the Gmail account is being added to Outlook desktop application. So I am done here. I don't want to set on my phone. Hit done. And here we have our Gmail account, the Outlook. Okay, now next, the most interesting feature is adding a time zone in Outlook. Sometimes we are working for a company which has employees all over the world and they will have different timing. So we can add timing to our Microsoft Outlook. So let's go to File, let's go to Option, let's go to Calendar, let's go to Time Zone. Currently, my time zone is selected at Pakistan time. I want to add one more time zone here. Like, let's select USA timings and I can add here Eastern time zone, US and Canada. Hit OK. Okay.
Now, if I go to my calendar, let's go to calendar, and I will be able to see both timings here side by side. Like USA timing is above here, and the Pakistan timing is down here. Okay, okay. Our next important option is if I want to work offline and don't want anybody to disturb me, right? I can work in offline mode. So let's find offline mode here. Let's go to send and receive, and I can select here work offline. So now if you can see here, my Outlook is showing working offline. I can re-enable offline again from here. Now it's trying to connect and now it's connected to Exchange. Now our next important option to learn is that send a delay email, and this is my most favorite option. So let's go to home, let's go to new email, and let me show you the delay option here. For example, if your colleagues are working in the middle of night and you want to send an email in the middle of night, you can go to option, you can select here delay delivery. By selecting delay delivery, obviously I want to set here the timing, night timing. So let's select 10 p.m. and save copy of send message. We have different options here. We can add different contacts here, right? For example, I am adding my own contact here. And let's close and let's select. Let's say to everyone, I is everyone is working or till night. Let's double check the timing. Yeah, the timing is select 10 p.m. Okay, that's it for today video. Thank you for watching. Thank you all for your time. Keep watching, keep sharing.